Hi, this is Matt with Skyhi Aerial, and I just wanted to show a quick example of motion blur when using the DJI X5 camera with the Inspire 1. Here I'm doing a quick pan. Now I'm going to repeat this pan and show it to you paused midway so you can see an extreme example of motion blur. This footage was shot at 4K 30 frames a second. I had my shutter speed at 1/60th of a second, and my aperture was at f5.6, which gave me a moderate depth of field. Here you can see with the copter just hovering with very little movement, the footage looks fairly sharp at 1/60th of a second shutter speed. And once again, here's the ship before I start my lateral track shot. But once I start tracking along the ship and I slowly move closer to it, you'll see that the ship seems like it's a little softer than it is at the beginning of the shot. What's going on is two things. One is as I get closer to the ship, there's actually more motion in the foreground, so the ship looks a little softer from the motion blur, whereas you can see the horizon looks still pretty sharp. The second thing is because I'm shooting at f5.6, my depth of field's a little more shallow. I'm set to infinity, so things that are a little closer actually might get a little softer from the focus.